To clear your iPad browsing history, we'll go to Safari and then click this button to open up the sidebar if it's not open already. Down here, you'll see History, which will open up your browsing history. You can search for specific sites or browse by date. If you want to delete a single page from your history, tap the three dots and choose Select Websites. Now I can individually choose which sites I want to delete from my browsing history. If you want to clear more, tap the three dots again and choose the Clear option. Now you can choose a time frame you want to clear. You can clear the last hour, day, couple of days, or all your browsing history. If you have Safari iCloud Sync turned on, clearing the history on your iPad will also clear it on other devices. Remember that if you don't want your browsing to be saved, you can always use private browsing mode for that. I have a video showing how to do it, so if you're interested, look for the link in the description. And that's it. Hope this helps. Leave a comment if you have any questions, and subscribe for more easy guides like this. Thanks all until next time.